Hello all. Today I would like to talk about something boring but very important. BIM stands for Building Information Model, but most people forget about the information part and only talk about the model. That is understandable. Model is something tangible and can be viewed and sometimes admired. Data cannot. Furthermore, most people do not appreciate the value of the data, so most clients are not bothered with this part of BIM. On the other hand, if the client have little to no understanding in BIM, but would like to have data in the models, they are usually asking for everything. Both situations in BIM world are wrong. In the first instance, we are not doing BIM. The result of this will be that client pay for this in the future in cost incurred for running the facility inefficiently. Second option will hit the contractor and the suppliers, as they will have to spend a lot of time to gather all of the information. Plus, the client will not see the full benefit, as it is more than likely that it will never use all of the collected data. Just a quick reminder, the ratio between the construction cost and maintenance with building operation cost during the lifetime of the building is a 1:5. So the client will be hit the most for the lack of information about its building. I hope that I do not have to explain that clients should seek for better solutions during construction to save their building cost as a whole. Okay, so we need to find some middle ground then. In most of the cases, client is not informed about BIM, so contractor will suggest data on maintainable assets, such windows, doors, and some more valuable M&E equipment. That is also not perfect, as usually, depending on the facility, more information might be needed. Contractors in such situations are getting the get out of jail free card. Third-party companies. These are usually really good to start with. Pay the bill and we will alleviate you from all the trouble. As you can imagine, it is not working this way. Although clients are usually getting all of the information required, the quality of the information is really poor, as construction suppliers tend to ignore calls from the third-party company. Then there is a hidden cost to the contractor, as when the information is poor, someone will have to put it right. And this will be the main contractor. Then they have to ask the site team, on top of their daily duties, to make sure that this third party is fully informed on the latest contact details for all suppliers. Not ideal then. Second option I am familiar with is working out all of this in-house. Data tend to be high quality, but it is much less effective than third-party option. Therefore, it is usually as costly and even more time consuming than the first option. Now, the third option is to get some software to solve this. I have investigated the options and they are still not ideal, as either the suppliers have to fill out the online forms over and over again, or basically anybody can create an account to add the site product information. This causes similar issues to the third-party option, as the data quality is low and someone must put it right. Usually that is main contractor. In all these situations, the party who is hit the most is client. At the end of the day, will not get the data right in place and will have to pay the excessive price for the maintenance. Clients should also appreciate that construction of the facilities alone is a fifth of the cost during its lifetime. And vast savings can be made if the right information is available at hand. Now, I would like to quickly talk about the solution for this problem, which 6D BIM come up with. They have created a cloud-based storage of product information, which is available and ready to hand to be quickly transferred to your BIM models, making them a truly information models. 6D BIM Information Manager system is working with IFC and COBie, and it is based on the ISO standard. It allows for quick and efficient transfer of information between all parties. Manufacturer add assets with all of the relevant information. This information is then checked by the 6D BIM team for compliance. Then supplier, who is invited to the BIM project, selects the products and add as installed information, and contractor making sure it is all added on time. Then 6D BIM system produce complete COBie, updates IFC models, and export zip with the O&M manuals named to standard. 6D BIM's Informations Manager also can audit your IFC models and will produce a quality report, and all of this for a fraction of the usual cost. For details, please see the description below and contact friendly 6D BIM team today. All the best and see you later.